Okay, I'm riding into church, and we are going to ring the bell this Easter morning. I'm waiting to see who's with me. Who is with me and who is mischievous enough to do this with me live. So far I don't see anybody. Here's the church. Okay, I'm gonna unplug you. This might be a little clunky, but I've got to get the camera out. There we go. We're ringing the bell. We're gonna wake the neighbors. It is Easter morning. My dog has to get out. He thinks he's going for a walk. Come on, Caesar. We gotta ring the bell. Gotta ring the bell. Let's go. Come on. It's a cloudy day, but the sun is up. There we go. Now, we're going to get on the lights too. This is my church for those who have not seen it, or part of my church. And there is the bell. Well, the thing to ring it with. So, there is a story that somebody in my family told me. My grandpa Van de Zan used to be, let me line this up here. My grandpa Van de Zan, he used to be the caretaker of the church I grew up in Alto. And he was in charge, he was the janitor. And he was in charge of doing a lot of things. And one of the things that he was in charge of is ringing the bell every Sunday morning. And the story that I was told is that my grandpa was so small that every time he'd ring the bell would almost take him up off of his feet because he was just really little. So I am not so little, so I don't think it will take me off of the feet. But it's 7:06 a.m. and we are going to ring the bell. It is Easter morning. 1, 2. Ring it 10 times. Caesar barked once. So, happy Easter, my friends. Christ is alive. Amen.